Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Monday Market Breakdown. Now, guys, on this session, I'm going to be breaking down pairs that I've picked out to be the top pairs that I'm focusing on for this week. So, without wasting any time, let us jump into our watch list. So, this is how my watch list is looking like. So, first and foremost, let us start with the DXY. Now, jumping on to the weekly time frame with the DXY. We do see price coming from this heavy impulsive movement and then giving us what this continuation structure that is descending. That's from the breakout. So overall, this is having what the high probability of continuing to climb at least up until the 90% roll. And now, first jumping onto the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can see that price did give us what this small continuation structure to confirm that move to the upside. And now as I'm dropping onto our mid time frame. So on the mid time frame, we can see that we are trapped within this corrective structure. So all that we're waiting for on this one is just a simple breakout to confirm what those buys to the upside. And then on the lower time frame, the only confirmation that we need on the lower time frame is just a simple continuation structure to confirm that bullish move. So this is it on the DXY. Now next one we have what? The Australian dollar over the US dollar. So this one also we're going to start on the high time frame and work our way down. So on the weekly, you can see that you have what this impulsive movement followed by what price giving us this overall corrective structure that from the breakout over here. So overall, this is having a high probability of continuing to impulse all the way to the downside. And now dropping onto the daily time frame. In the daily, we can see that you have what this continuation structure. That's from the breakout. So overall, this is having the high probability of impulsing down. And now move on to our mid-time frame. So in the mid-time frame, you can see that we are having what this is our continuation structure to confirm what those sells to the downside. And now in the lower time frame, we are having what this continuation structure that we can use to enter, let's say. So this is how I'm looking at the AUD over the US dollar. And now for our next pair, which is the New Zealand dollar over the US dollar. So on this one, we're having what this is our continuation structure that came from this impulsive movement. This is our corrective structure price from what the second impulsive move, which is having what the higher probability of dropping to the downside. And now coming into the daily, in the daily time frame, we have this impulsive movement, price giving us what this continuation structure. That's from the breakout to confirm what those sells to the downside. And then the mid-time frame, you have what this continuation structure that's from the breakout. And on the lower time frame, we have this continuation structure. We tend to enter on the breakout. Stops above TP for at least 2%. Nice and simple. So that is it on the NZD over the USD. Now for our next pair, we're having with the euro over the US dollar. So this one, starting from the weekly, we have what this heavy impulsive movement and this continuation structure. So this is around the high probability of impulsing down on the daily time frame. We have this small continuation structure. That's from the breakout. So overall, this is confirming that downward movement. And coming on to the mid-time frame. Mid-time frame, I can see that we do have like this continuation structure. So what are you waiting for? So we first need price to break out. We also use the small continuation structure that we can use to execute those cells. Okay, so this is how I'm looking at the euro over the US dollar. And now the final pair, which is what the Great British pound over the US dollar. So in the weekly, we have what this continuation pattern. That's from the breakout, confirming what those solves to the downside. And now coming into the daily time frame. We have what this is our continuation structure. That's from the breakout, confirming what those solves to the downside. And mid-time frame, we do have what this final continuation structure that broke out, confirming those cells and the lower time frame. So this is not the cleanest of structures, but you can execute this like so. Or instead, you can choose to wait for price to give you at least the cleaner structure that you can use as an entry pattern, something along these lines, just coming from an impulsive movement with at least two swing highs and two swing lows, and from the breakout, stop loss above and take profit for minimum of 2%. So this is how I'm looking at what GBP over the USD. So that is how my watch list is looking like for this week. It mainly consists of USD related pairs, but this is what aligns with my trading plan to be traded for this week. So yeah, I will continue to update you throughout the day if any of these pairs are ready to be traded or if anything changes along on this pairs. But for now, this is the end, guys. Hopefully this session is very informative and you did learn something. But for now, this is the end, and I'll see you next time. Take care.